Good morning, LuHi historians. So you're going to open up this document. This is your assignment, Global 9 Expectations. You're going to go to File, you're going to make a copy, and then you're going to share it in your distance learning. You're going to change the title to Global Expectations. You're going to put your set number here and then your last name. So I would put, okay, so if you are, let's see, who am I going to call out? If you're Xavier, you're going to put Global Expectations 3, Balmir. If you are Logan, you're going to put Global Expectations 5, Barbarino. And if you are Kayla, you're going to put Global Expectations 7, LeBron. Okay? And that's what you're going to put inside your distance learning folder. So you're going to go to your set. So if I'm Kayla, it's moving so slow, my internet, because I'm trying to upload a YouTube video at the same time. But I'm going to go to that folder, my set. Let's say, there we go, set 7. I'm going to go to Kayla's folder here, and I'm going to save it there. Okay? I'm not going to do it for you though, Kayla. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read over this document, but the first thing I'm going to do before I read over the document, I'm going to read the quiz statements and then I'm going to answer them. If you notice that each quiz statement has a color that's highlighted, it says I will make a copy of my assignments and work on it via, okay, and then I'm going to go into my piece here, I'm going to find it. So if let's say that the answer to number 1 might be right here. I'm going to take that and I'm going to highlight it green, okay? And that's going to match that question, and then I'm going to answer this question and I'm going to highlight it green. Please do not attach your assignment to a pigeon and tell it to go to Babylon, because it might go to Babylon, Long Island, or Babylon, Iraq. That's why we learn geography. Or don't retype the assignment yourself, because it will take hours to do it. And then put it in your great uncle's Google Drive, because you'll probably get lost with a whole bunch of cookie recipes. So please make sure that you do it the way that I asked. So I'm going to erase that by hitting Control-C, and look, it's gone. The evidence is gone. If you scroll all the way down, you have 2 more questions. There's one thing I need help with is, this could be anything, and I will try my best to help you with it. If it's time management, if it's not being able to practice for the play or practice your sport, or go to dancing or something. Try to figure out ways. There's lots of YouTube videos for you to do stuff to get out your angst or your energy, and to take a break besides sitting and on TikTok. And one thing I could do to help another classmate. Is there something you're really strong at that you can help another classmate with? Like Mrs. Loomis is going to have yoga classes for the Power 5 group, or to help us manage our stuff. When you're done doing that, when you're done filling out this information, what you're going to do is you're going to go to File, Download as a PDF, and then you're going to save it as Global 9 Expectations 5 and your last name, and then or 3 in your last name, or X in your last name, and then you're going to submit it into My LuHi. Please make sure that you hit Submit, Attach, and Submit. For it to be full, make sure you can click on the assignment and you can view it. If you can't view it, I cannot view it. If you did not submit or attach it, you can hit resubmit, and you could do it yourself up to 8 a.m. the following class set. All right? Any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. Love you guys, and I miss you guys. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.